Imagine a law so complex that even the tax officers needed a manual. Now imagine someone saying, let's throw out the jargon and speak human. Well, that someone is the Indian government. And what we have now is the Income Tax Bill 2025, leaner, sharper, and maybe clearer. But is it really simpler or just a smoother version of the same puzzle? Hi, I'm CA Pranab Goel, and this is not just a summary. This is your clause by clause, professionally decoded, easy to understand analysis of the biggest rewrite of the Indian tax law in decades. Whether you're a founder, salaried professional, CFO, or even a student, I'll break it down like I'm explaining it to a friend over coffee. And more importantly, I'll tell you what it means for your business. What's actually changed? 819 sections have been trimmed to 536. 5.12 lakh words cut to 2.60 lakhs, and the infamous "notwithstanding anything contained" has now been replaced with "now irrespective." Finally, tax law doesn't sound like Shakespeare had a finance degree. No more assessment year versus previous year confusion. One of the most relatable confusions gone. Say goodbye to assessment year and previous year. Now it's just the tax year. What you earn in FY 25-26, you assess in 25-26. Business connection has been redefined. If you're a global business with part operations in India, only the income attributable to India will be taxed. Keyword attributable. The word reasonably has quietly exited through. That's a big change for cross-border businesses. Transfer pricing. One audit, 3 years. Introducing assessments in a block. Now the ALP you get in 1 year can apply for 2 more. Less hassle, more clarity. Multinationals can rejoice, but also double check. TDS is now all under one roof, whether resident or non-resident, suspense account or savings. TDS is now sorted into 3 clean tables. No more paper chase, just table, rate, threshold, done. Vacancy allowance now needs normal letting. If your property was vacant, you'll now have to prove it. It was genuinely let in the normal flow. First, time to review these passive rentals. Virtual digital assets. 78% tax on undisclosed crypto. Yes, Bitcoin. Any undisclosed crypto is equal to 78% tax. The Income Tax Bill 2025 isn't just a facelift, it's a fundamental shift towards clarity, automation, reduced litigation, but it's also filled with nuances that impact your deductions, cross-border income, startups, real estate, and charities. And that's why in this series, I'll be coming up with a clause by clause, real world helping you navigate the new law like a pro, whether you're in business, investment, or compliance. If this helped you make sense of the income tax jungle, share it with your CFO, your CA, and your entire WhatsApp group. And follow me, CA Pranab Goel, for sharp, simplified, and smart financial content that actually makes you smarter. Until next time, stay informed, stay compliant. Jai Hind.